Purpose and function of law. There are many purposes of law. In this lecture, we will cover the topic as follows. First, it is a protection of human rights. Second is the principle of legality, which means that every action is governed by law. In Latin, nulla poena sine lege. This prohibits the abuse of power. The third is the due process of law, which requires arrest to be undertaken by the writ. It also requires access to the courts. Fourth is inviolable nature of ownership. In Japan, we have adopted the private ownership system. Functions of law. There are 4 functions of law. First is the social governance function. People obey the law because of its sanctions. Second is the activity promotion function. People have expectation about what is permitted by law. Third is the dispute resolution function. People have legal standards to help solve dispute. Fourth is distribution of function. Social welfare and resource distribution are provided by the law by taxation. Law and justice. Law is one part of justice. Many law provides implement justice. We often hear about Aristotle's justice theory. There are 2 notions of justice. The first is partial justice. This involves sharing items between people, independent of their capacity or achievement. Its benefit is that it is simple and intuitive. Conversely, its drawback is that it ignores the needs and status of people. The second is distributive justice or pro rata justice. This kind of justice considers differences between people. The beneficiaries pays principal, and the ability to pay the principal is an expression of distributive justice. The tax and the social welfare system are designed basically on this kind of justice.